Into our warm-up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat and open arms. This is another shallow squat. Your arms cross loose and low in front of you. Then stand and swing your arms wide and above your head. Now starting block lunge. Crouch down to a low lunge towards the floor, looking straight ahead, just like you're starting a race. Then stand up straight and then down on the other leg. Next, arm and hip rotation. Your arms are outstretched to the sides, thumbs rotating back and forth from the shoulder. Alternate opening each hip by bringing your foot to the other ankle and turning outwards. One hip at a time, keep rotating your arms. Now side lunge and twist. Take a shallow side lunge and rotate from the waist to reach ahead in the direction of your bent knee. Go from side to side. You're turning from the waist and reaching across in the direction of the knee that's bending. Great, that's the warm-up done. Into intensive 1, with get down and get up again, however you like. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Get down onto the floor and get back up again, however you like. Try different ways. Sit down and push up. Go down on one knee and get up. Use your hands, don't use your hands, it doesn't matter. Don't always go down the same side or push up with the same leg or hand. Keep it mixed up. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Walking lunge is next. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Start with your hands on your hips or behind your head and take a big step, bending both knees to 90 degrees. Then walk right through to the next lunge. Go right across your room and back again. Keep your upper body upright, the front shin vertical, and your back knee is going towards but not touching the floor. Remember, inhale on the way down, exhale and engage as you stand. Three, 2, 1, and rest. And sumo and high squeeze. 3, 2, 1, let's go. The sumo squat is slightly deeper, but all the same squatting rules apply. As you stand, raise the ball above your head and squeeze between your palms, exhaling and engaging your core. Breathe in and relax the squeeze as you go down. Exhale, engage and squeeze on the way up. Frankenstein. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The loop is around your ankles. Stand with legs straight and wide apart. Take side steps across the room with your legs straight and feet turned slightly inwards. Don't let the band slack at all. Keep it taut as you walk around the room. Try not to sway your upper body. All the work is coming from your outer hip and butt muscles. Keep moving across the room, sidestepping, keeping the band taut. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Next, squat, kick and pull. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The band is taut in front of you. Squat down and as you stand, kick one foot out in front, leading with your heel. At the same time, pull the two ends of the band apart. So it's squat, stand, kick and pull, alternating the kicking leg. Exhale and engage each time you stand and kick and pull. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Now curtsey, pull and squeeze. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Take one foot across and behind the other and bend both knees into a curtsey lunge, holding the ball in front of you at chest height. Each time you come back to stand, bring the ball towards your chest and squeeze it between your palms. Remember the rules, you exhale and engage as you squeeze and stand. Alternate legs, curtsey lunge in each direction, and each time you stand, you pull the ball back, squeeze and engage. Three, 2, 1, and rest. First stretch, make like a triangle. Stand with your legs wide and straight. Your right foot is pointing away from you, your left is slightly turned in. Arms outstretched, lean to the right and then bend down to the right. Left arm straight up in the air. Try not to lean forward or back and breathe nice and easily. Only look up if it feels comfortable. Come back to standing, now switch to the other side. Left foot points out, right foot slightly in, shift to the right and drop down into a side bend. Don't lean forward or back and look ahead or up to your upstretched arm. And hold. And now come back to standing, arms down and feet back to front. Lie back and lotus. Lie on your back with a cushion or pillow under your head and shoulders. Now bring the soles of your feet in so that they're touching and let your legs fall out to the sides. You can use cushions or pillows to the side to support your legs. Try to find a neutral position where your ribs feel settled towards the floor. Take your arms out to the sides and now just relax here for 5 full deep breaths. The soles of your feet are together, you're breathing steadily, ribs relaxed and down, legs supported. And when you've done 5 full deep breaths in that position, take your legs back and relax. Hip heaven. This is a lunge position on the mat. Use a cushion under your knee for support. Your front foot is just forward of vertical and your back knee is resting. Stretch forward into your hips, only letting your pelvis go as far as your ribs can stay with it. Imagine you're taking your ribs back as your pelvis comes forward. Breathe easily and keep your shoulders down and ribs down. Now come back to kneeling and switch legs. Take your other leg out in front of you, foot flat on the floor, and relax into the hip stretch. You're feeling the stretch in the front of your hip. Breathe in this position, shoulders down, ribs down. Try not to twist and stay facing straight ahead. And then come back to kneel and relax. Swan to child. Come down onto the mat on all fours. From your hands and knees, push the lengths of your fingers into the mat to sit your bottom back towards your heels. Walk your fingers away and just hold this position for a couple of deep breaths. Your forehead is flat to the floor. After a couple of breaths, keep your head down and just bring your arms down to your sides. Your palms are resting up. Forehead rests on the floor, and stay here for 3 deep breaths. Feel your sit bones widen and your pelvic floor fully release.